Do Vanna White. This is not a Vanna White situation. The toilet is plugged up, and we have some Drano Max we're going to try this time. Last time we did liquid fire, which I've had success with. And it says to pour a fifth of the bottle, and we're going to give it a shot. It is not what you normally put in a toilet. And then we're going to let it sit for a while and see what happens. And we'll come back to you then. So we gave it the allotted time, and this Drano Pro Strength Max Gel didn't do the job. Even though you're not
supposed to
put it in the toilet. It's been done. It does work, for other people, but not in this case. It didn't, and now I've got to deal with all this excess water and maybe the plunger and the Drano together. Here I am. Rather have the liquid fire. See you guys. Took 20%, let it sit for 20 minutes. Didn't make any difference. Poured the whole bottle in there. It went ahead and did the work. So maybe you ought to pour the whole bottle. Just to let you know. If you want to spend $12 to do that, then there you go. See ya.